Technical analysis can cover a ton of different topics, but in this course, we will be focusing on using various indicators and overlays for technical stock trading. Both technical indicators and overlays can provide you with a detailed look into the price movement of a stock and help you to predict where the price may go next. Technical indicators are used to forecast market direction with mathematical calculations using a stock's historical data, primarily the price and volume. Not only can technical indicators provide insight into the price movement and direction, but also other conditions such as whether a stock is either overbought or oversold. Technical overlays are simply indicators that are overlaid on a candlestick chart and used to analyze stocks and perform technical analysis. With technical indicators and overlays applied to a candlestick chart, you can easily tell whether a stock's trend is bullish, bearish, or trading sideways. The goal is to find key reversal points in order to buy and sell stocks at the right times. Each indicator and overlay will be used differently for stock analysis and can be categorized based on their measurements. For example, you can have support and resistance indicators, trend indicators, volume, momentum, volatility indicators, and many more. Indicators and overlays can give you a way to trade based only on market data, removing emotional impulses that might arise from greed or fear. But this can only be the case if you develop a solid technical trading strategy and actually stick with it. Hundreds, maybe even thousands of technical indicators have been developed over the years, and new indicators continue to be developed all the time. Different indicators will work better for different people, depending on your individual trading style and also the ones that you spend the most time practicing. You should use this course to preview various indicators and overlays and spend some time learning and practicing the ones that you feel most comfortable with. In order to use the indicators and overlays that we'll be going over in the course, you'll need to have access to adequate charting tools, most importantly, an interactive candlestick chart. In the next lecture, we will take a look at my two favorite sites to analyze candlestick charts for technical analysis. I'll see you in the next video.